Hello everyone, welcome to the Heat Tech. In today's video, we are going to check out HK9 Pro Plus smartwatch. This is a Apple Watch Series 9 replica. This watch have so many different new options, and this watch also have a AMOLED screen, 2 GB storage, AI watch faces, and chat GPT app, and so many different options available for customization. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So I ordered this one on AliExpress. So guys, this is a HK9 Pro Plus. This watch is a clone version of Apple Watch Series 9, and sizes for this one is 45 mm. So the box is very nice texture in there. There's a few information on the box. It says OpenAI new chat GPT app in there, and there's a AI watch faces in there and playback recording. As this watch have a 2 GB ROM, as I mentioned, so you can must be store some of the information in there. This box do not have any cellophane on. There's some information in the back, and this watch use Wear Fit Pro application, and you can use with the iPhone or any Android phone. So on the side, so this says on the side HK9 Pro Plus, titanium case, 45 mm, and must be the green strap in there. On the other side, this just says Wear Fit Pro. So let's open up, since this do not have any cellophane on. So there's some information in there, just a wee booklet thing, and there's a Chinese information this side, and there's information in English in there as well. Just says how to connect with the straps and how to use the Wear Fit Pro. That's it. And there's a wireless charger, about half a meter long wire in there. So put that on the side, and there's a one green strap, silicone one, very nice texture, soft as well. And there's one extra strap in there. So this watch comes with the two straps, and this one is nice as well, with a very nice texture inside, very soft, with the blue and orange lining in there. So we will test that in a few seconds. And this watch here itself, there's nothing else in the box, and this watch says number 9 on there, because this one is a Apple Watch Series 9 replica, and this watch have a AMOLED display, and this one is a 45 mm size. So let's take the cellophane off on the watch face. So guys, this is a HK9 Pro Plus Apple Watch Series 9 replica. This one is a silver color. Let's see on the side, crown key, speaker hole, and the side button in there. And on the back, there's no screw or anything, and there's some sensors in the back. There's a few writing around the charging bit in there, and there is a strap locks in there. This says a Series 9 45 mm, and this one says on their aluminium ceramic case in there, but the says on the box is titanium, but that says over here is aluminium. Anyway, there says on there is IONX glass, GPS, LTE, waterproof to 50 meter, and there's a little bit more cellophane on there, a wee bit one on the sensor in here. So on the left side, speaker grill in there. Let's turn that on. So this turn on, it says welcome. The color are really vibrant because of the AMOLED display in there. So choose language English. It says start pairing. So let me install the app in my phone first to connect with the watch. So guys, I have installed the Wear Profit app in my phone. Let's start pairing in there, and there's some information in there. Some of the information in Chinese because this is a Chinese app in there. So let's open up. There's a few arts coming up in there as well, and straightway shows a HK9 Pro Plus. Let's connect that. So it's pairing now and giving you the information. ChatGPT is online. You can inquire about health, sport, knowledge, write article, learn about astronomy and geographic, and ask about anything, anytime, anywhere. So phone notification, allow this one. I say I know. Okay, got it. And it's giving up option to firmware version update, so let's update that as well. So it says fixing some bugs with updating, so let me update that before we proceed further. So guys, the watch firmware is updated, so let's find out some of the information on the watch first. Set language. So let me tell you some of the specification and description of this watch. This watch have a 2.2-inch AMOLED display screen with a 485 by 520 pixel per inches in there, and the watch sizes is 49 by 44 by 14 mm. This one use a low power Bluetooth 5.2, and this one use a newest SF32LB525 chip and dual core architecture, 1.4 MB running memory with a 2 gigabytes storage memory inside the watch. So it means you can store some of the music, some of the files, and download some of the third-party apps and download some of the games directly to your watch. We will be checking out that in a few seconds. And this watch have a 40 megahertz to 240 megahertz refresh rate, and they claim to have a 50-meter waterproof, but this one is a clone cheap watch. I do not believe on that tag. And this watch have a 450 milliamp battery, and this one have a 4 to 5 different kind of menu style, and you can use this watch with Android 5.0 or above or ISO 10.0 or above. And this watch use a Wear Fit Pro app, so which we have to download in our phone first. And this watch I have a AI watch faces, chat GPT, 2 gigabyte ROM, local music, sound recording, calendar, always on display, real compass, heart rate, blood pressure, all the health sensor in there, notification, voice assistance, music control, weather app, alarm, breath training, timer, find my phone, Alipay, and there's loads of different options available in this watch. You also have a NFC if you like to use that as well. So guys, if you press the crown key, if you go all the way up, I will open up the app right in the middle. If you go all the way down, you will see the honeycomb menu in there. So let's test it out. The compass in here. So there's a one menu. There's a 3 dot in here. There's another menu. The compass mode is really responsive. Weather app. The color are really vibrant. So let's test it out. The phone app. You have a recent call, address book. You have to connect through your phone. I have not connect. The dial is quite big and the screen is quite responsive on this one. So first of all, let me walk through some of the menu and setting options in there, and then we'll proceed further to the phone app as well. There's so many options already available on your home screen, but I'm going to test out some of the stuff in there. So first of all, in the setting shows personal information. You can add some of the information in there, and notification. There's a few option in there. Says a red dot reminder. If you go notification, you will see the red dot on there, and you can also have a screen brightness in there. If you have that option on, there's another option in there, tap to show full notification. If you use that, it will show you the full notification in there. Go to the universal. There's information about the watch. There's so many different languages supported to this watch. Do not disturb on. There's a few options in there. You can adjust the time, or you can just put that on and it will keep you on all the time in there. So display and brightness. So at the moment, this is the lowest one, and this is the highest one. Cover screen off, continuously lighting setting, this one on, off, and let's test it out that. So this one turn off after 5 seconds and go to the always on display. Keep that all the time on at the moment. So there's only maximum to 20 minutes, starting from 3 minutes. So I will keep it on, so while I'm using it will not turn off the display. Sound and touch, there's a full volume here, media audio, incoming call on, haptic reminder, default, powerful, system notification, tactical feedback. There's a lot of option available in each option in there. The UI and software is quite responsive, and so many different options in there. You can set up password, key defines. You can customize the keys in there. So press, you can this one on a setting. So setting is fine for me at the moment. And double click, heart rate, blood pressure, sport mode. I will say double press, go to the sport mode. So go back, double press, go to the sport mode. There's really vibrant color with the pictures in the back because of the AMOLED display in there. So quite nice. Menus, themes in there. Let's view the themes. This is the one style in there, second one, third one, fourth one, and there's a 5 different one in there. So let's choose that one and test it out. So this is quite nice. Crown key is quite responsive, software is quite responsive, UI is quite responsive of this watch, and touch is really great. Smart island, you have that option on by default, and health reminder, secondary screen, power saving mode. If you have that on, you can save some of the battery. You can also add your custom wallpaper on a menu as well. So that's quite a handy feature. So first of all, let's test it out on my wrist. How's that look? I'm going to use this strap. So this is how that look on my wrist. So while I'm wearing the watch, let's test it out some of the sensor in there. So this one says 72, 73. There's lots of information on this screen while you're scrolling that one. So if you scroll a wee bit further down, you will see some of them it says not installed. So it's mean they are free to install in there. So let me choose that color one in there, and that says free on the side as well. So let's test that out. So the color are really vibrant because of the AMOLED display is really bright and nice in there. The watch face brightness is really high on that one. So colors are really accurate and vibrant in there because of the AMOLED display, and the brightness is really good in that one. You can easily see in a bright sunlight. You have a application market in there. I believe you can install some of the extra information in there. There's also some of the games available, racing one. Let's test it out that one as well. I'm going to test it out the racing car one. Let's install that on my watch just for testing purposes. downloading and installing is really fast on the watch. So let's see, where is the racing car one? Here you go. Touch is really smooth. I really like the touch of this watch. The responsiveness of this watch UI is really nice. Music market, so you can upload or download some of the music in here, add local music on your phone. That's quite handy feature in there. Menu wallpaper, these are the wallpapers are available to put into your menu. Quick get start, video tutorial, graphic guide in there, notifications, wallet. We have a WeChat, Alipay, PayPal in there. Favorite contents in there we can use. My QR code, taking pictures. So these are the standards option all the smartwatches have. Find my watch, test data. I'm here. And that's actually making very nice cool sound. I'm here. So that's nice and handy feature. I'm here. I'm here. I like this one. This is nice. Taking photos and open up the real camera, pressing these, taking the photo. So says okay, and it will store into your watch. Schedule management, local music, mobile permission setting, firmware update. You can update the firmware in here if is any available in there. We already updated when we unbox and start using our watch. So guys, this is my unboxing video of HK9 Pro Plus Apple Watch Series 9 replica. This is a 45mm watch, and this watch have a AMOLED display. And so far I've been tested on few of the stuff. Is the watch is really promising, and the UI is quite responsive. The screen resolution is quite nice, and color are really vibrant and lightweight and have all the sensor in there. So far is a good watch, and I will be making a review video later this week. I will be testing out some of the apps in there, and I will be wear and using a different app during that testing time, and I will make a review video later on. So if you would like to see the review video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further video notification. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in next unboxing and review video.